Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, we'll be talking about 8 Feng Shui tips to attract prosperity and abundance to your home and your life. From a Feng Shui perspective, we see that our homes are a living environment, so we know that everything is energy. Therefore, we have an opportunity to leverage the energy in our homes to support, attract, and enhance our prosperity and our life. Think of a gently flowing river. That visual is what we aim to create using Feng Shui and the energy in your home. You know, the flow of the river begins with your intention and purpose, and then we arrange your space with natural elements to encourage a positive energy flow. And it's from this flow that you will attract new energy into your life. Are you ready to learn 8 simple yet effective tips for attracting prosperity to your home? If so, then this video is for you. Be sure to watch to the end, as each tip is essential. Before I begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery session with me. You'll want to stay till the end of the video for the announcement on this. And be sure to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you get started with Feng Shui, and the link for this is in the description. And with that, let's get started. Tip number 1, activate your front door. The flow of prosperity begins at your front door, and from a Feng Shui perspective, the front door represents the mouth of the opportunity. So we want to align our front door to attract opportunities and abundance. At the front door, create an energy that feels welcoming to the Qi, with a water feature, a black mat, flowers, and maybe even a wind chime. You want to draw the energy back to your front and ensure that the energy can flow freely into your home. Tip number 2, anchor your prosperity corner. Take a look at the far left corner of your home, as this represents the prosperity corner of your home and the area where you can set your intentions to honor your wealth and prosperity. Remove clutter and anything that resembles obstacles, and add items that represent wealth, success, and prosperity, such as artwork, plants, water features, or personal items that represent things that you value most or that you would like to manifest into your life. If you want to learn more about the Bagua, which is the Feng Shui map, please check out my video on the Bagua that outlines how the key areas of your home are identified with key aspects of life. Tip number 3, create a feeling of prosperity with artwork. If you followed me for a while, you may have heard me mention my recommendation that if you are looking to make one investment into your home, to invest in a piece of artwork that brings a feeling of prosperity and well-being. Ensure your artwork creates a feeling of abundance and love, and truly love the artwork in your home. And most importantly, love the feeling that it conveys. If you are looking to create more prosperity in your life, either hang artwork that expresses prosperity by the financial value, like a collector's piece, or one that has sentimental value, something that you absolutely love. Also, take a look at your current artwork and ensure that it's telling the story of who you are today. Sometimes it's powerful to remove old artwork that is hung out of obligation or is telling an old story. Tip number 4, look at your stove. From a Feng Shui standpoint, the kitchen, especially the stove, can represent your prosperity. In Feng Shui, we see that the more burners you have can represent the number of mouths you can feed. So the more burners, the better. One simple way to increase the number of burners is to place a shiny teapot or reflective surface on your stovetop to create the intention of more burners. Tip number 5, create flow by eliminating clutter. Qi loves open paths to flow. And keep in mind that Qi represents opportunities and prosperity. And Qi also likes order and when things are in their place. And in order for prosperity to flow to you, you must leave a space for it. If you feel like you need more prosperity, begin by opening up the pathways in your home to invite in a new flow. Tip number 6, create a supportive bedroom. From a Feng Shui standpoint, your bedroom is your sanctuary and the room that supports your well-being. When you feel your best, you are able to attract prosperity into your life. Ensure you feel your best in your bedroom with bed placement, colors, and yes, of course, artwork. For more information on how to arrange your bedroom for prosperity and love, be sure to check out my video on the bedroom. And tip number 7, face the door. The golden rule in Feng Shui is to face the door. Why? Because the door represents the mouth of the Qi, opportunity. So whether it's your desk, a seating arrangement, or where you spend your time, face life's opportunities head on by facing the door. Also, by facing the door, this typically expands your perspective and creates a place to focus. Tip number 8, be grateful. Write a thank you letter to the universe and read it daily. Thank the universe for what you would like to receive. Have a full heart of gratitude, faith, and get the feeling of as if you already have it. Writing and scripting your ideal life is essential as you get clear on what's most important to you and get into the feeling of prosperity. And on that note, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful to you. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new weekly video. Also, be sure to leave me a comment or a question. I read all of these personally, so let me know what you thought about this video so I can create more like it. I'm very excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for a free 45-minute Feng Shui discovery session with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan for opening up the blocks of energy. We'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint program will work for you. So be sure to click the link in the description to sign up for this call, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. The Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program really helps you create a peaceful and beautiful home that improves your prosperity, relationships, and well-being. And the program is designed to help you create a plan for arranging your home and for providing support for you to live intentionally. We typically work with individuals who may be moving into, building, or renovating their homes, or are looking to enhance the energy in their forever home. And my clients are those who want to use a holistic approach to improve the energy in their homes and put a real focus on honoring their own personal chi. When you make changes to your home, sometimes it's hard to see the space for yourself. And our program is really designed to help you create a plan that you love and have a lot of support along the way. So be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd really love to meet with you. I'd also like to invite you to join my free Facebook group. So be sure to click the link in the description as well. It's a great community that is growing by leaps and bounds, and within the group there's a lot of free resources, and it's a great way to connect with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.